Hey guys, so I had to stop the video on accident. I don't know why I did that. But
Okay.
this is almost up. So
Pause that for a minute.
hey guys, check this out
Actually,
right here.
Kind of a cool picture.
Yeah, that's actually really cool. Not the same. Actually, wait a minute. This is the same exact style.
Hey, look out.
I'm gonna go sit in the man's car so I could continue my YouTube video already.
Okay.
So, here we are. We're back at his car again. Oh, whoa, snap. Holy shit. Look at that, guys. Wow. So, here we are, guys. Oh, wow. D's upside down, guys. That's funny. If you guys didn't get it. Oh, I did not see this one. Wait, yeah, I did. Wait, I don't know, guys. Okay, here's another one. So, let's ask the man if we could sit in it. And I'll get back to you right in a moment. Here you are, guys. You are entering the car. And, that's interior leather. Wow. So, what kind of horsepower does it have?
This is just shy of 400 horsepower.
400 horsepower, guys. Shelby
Yeah,
GT.
TMI, they do all sorts of interiors. Mustang, Volkswagen, Camaro, but they've got all the patterns for the Fox bodies.
Look at that, guys. Have all of these. They have the Shelby signatures on here too.
Hey, as long as you can get it.
So, did you install these pedals yourself?
Yep, pedals are new. Steering wheel's different. That's actually Carroll Shelby's signature over there on the airbag.
Oh, wow.
That was signed by Carroll before he died.
Wow. So is this like the last car he signed?
No, he signed many, many cars. This is just one of many. But this car will get you in trouble, but it's worth it. It's fun. Here, hold still. You got a spider on you. There you go.
I'm used to it. There's spiders in my truck all the time.
Spiders aren't good.
Spiders are everywhere.
Yep.
I heard an interesting fact about bugs today. I don't know what station my mom was listening to, but they were saying that out of all the creatures on the planet,
So,
one out of 4 is an ant.
Oh, I believe that. I absolutely believe that.
so I will see you next time. Adios, guys. Whee!